Ready to go?
Just about. How you doing, buddy?
Awake and alive. I got my buddy Jim Ryser with me. He came down from Indiana, was hunting down the road from me yesterday. He's down here for a couple days. We are going to try to get on those two that walked up on me yesterday that spooked. They should be roosted somewhere around here, hopefully. We got some people riding around on this private property here, but we're going in on public.
All I'm going to do is brush my teeth.
Alright, sounds good.
All right.
I'm assuming these people are turkey hunting. Yeah, they're driving their four-wheeler up to the top of that ridge because they don't want to just walk up there and listen. Maybe I'm being too hard on them. Maybe they're like hurt and can't climb up the hill.
Hey, I'm hurt and can't climb a hill. By golly, we're going to walk.
You're stubborn.
Yes.
You'll go anywhere. Just starting to crack gray light. We got a short walk out this ridge. We're not going far to listen. Birds could be right here, or they could be the next ridge over or the next county over. So we're going to find out here if they start gobbling. That owl skipped the hoot.
It's Shane. That's why.
What? It's because I was recording. They're still riding that four-wheeler.
Yeah. Either that or it's some drama.
Did you say they owl hooted when they got up there?
As soon as they got out of their truck, they slammed the door, and then I heard it was a
Like
dude.
Not oh, with his voice.
Yeah.
See, I got out of the truck. I heard a real owl. I didn't hear
Yeah,
them.
they were over here. The real ones were over here. Those were over there.
So, in the pitch dark, they get out the truck, slam the door, hoot, and then drive their four-wheeler up the ridge.
And they'll probably kill birds today.
Yeah, they probably will. We got birds gobbling. I'm not even sure where they are. But we got one for sure on public. There's one on that ridge where I spooked them. With hens. Yeah. That's our bird. Yep. This one here might be closer than we think. I say we ease over this. Not too far, but maybe to the next big tree so we can hear it a little better, pinpoint him. Because I'm trying to decide if we're calling him up here or if we have to go all the way around.
Is that one fresh?
No, that's old. See, the leaves are all flat.
Okay.
When they're fresh, the leaves are all fluffed up.
Like they were when we first
Like, yeah, those scratch we came by, back by the truck, that was very fresh.
Okay.
This is old scratch. It's been there for a while. But that's good. You see, fresh and old scratch, it means they spent a lot of time up here. So, yesterday, I came up on top of that ridge, and that's where those two birds spooked, and they flew this way. And the one that's gobbling over there, I think that's one of them. I would assume. He's on the other ridge. He's not up top, but he's on the other hillside. idea. Somebody shot one down there. Sounds like he's like up and over. You ready to climb a mountain?
No.
Alright, bye. I'll just leave you here. You're the backup in case he turns around and comes back this way.
Let's do it.
He's not very responsive to calls. He gobbled once. He's also on the ground now. There's like a saddle up there on the ridge. He's up somewhere around that saddle, I think. So now that I know he's that far up, we can move down into the creek. There's a saddle on this ridge. Normally I would go up that, but that's the last place we heard him gobble. So we gotta go straight up the steep part to the very top of this ridge. And once we get up there, we'll find a place to set up and call, and hopefully he answers. We haven't heard him in a while. We're getting there. He gobbled. He just gobbled. He's over. He's over. He just gobbled, yes. Cool. I'm not messing with you. I just heard a muffled somewhere that way. He's either in the saddle or just on the other side of the saddle. It's like just like we thought. I was just about to point out the scratch in here. Alright, so we're gonna go up top and find a tree facing that way to call to him. He just gobbled, but he's over there. Thought he was over here, but he's over there. Hey, this way.
Hey, let me do it. Just doing a truck call. You ready?
You're the crow whisperer.
I'm calling a crow.
And
You
called in 2 crows
can't
and a 4-wheeler. You called in a 4-wheeler. There he goes. He's doing his little loop again. Hey, we're sitting here goofing off. I'm eating a Cliff Bar.
And I'm jumping on a tube call.
And that bird just gobbled down in the saddle. I assume it's the same one.
He gobbled.
Yeah.
He was close.
He was not very far. He's just down in the saddle. Alright,
I can't imagine he's going to come past up that saddle down there. How many yards is it to that saddle?
the bench.
Or the bench, sorry.
20, 30.
Yeah.
He just gobbled again.
I didn't hear it.
Something down there.
I did hear something down there, but I didn't know it was a gobbler.
It was a different bird.
Had to have been.
Something right down the hill made noise. Did you hear that?
Yes, I did.
Charius. Where? Take him. Where? I don't see him. Don't move.
I've got a shot.
Kill him. Kill him. It's a Jake. Kill him.
It's a Jake.
Kill him.
Where's he at?
Point your gun. Wait, no. Don't kill him. You killed him. That's
No, he's right there.
No, you killed him. Listen, he's flopping.
Oh, is he?
That was his running buddy. It's the two from yesterday. I could have shot that Jake. Yeah, no, you killed the one. You killed the one you were trying to kill.
Oh,
That was his running buddy that took off. Where did he go? He went flopping down the hill.
are you sure I killed him?
Yes, did you not hear him?
No, because I have my earphones on.
Oh. No, he's down there. He went to flopping somewhere. Where did you shoot? Right here?
Yeah.
Alright, there should be feathers somewhere. He flopped. He's down the hill somewhere, I promise you.
I trust you.
He's right here. He's dead. Yeah. Oh, it's a Jake too. They were both Jakes. Hey, we could have doubled on Jakes.
Well, I'll take a Jake.
Oh, you waxed him.
Huh?
You waxed him.
You heard him coming up?
They came running in. Was that the bird that gobbled? It sounded like a longbeard.
It sounded like a long beard to me.
Because we heard one gobble down that way. We go move and set up, and as soon as I call, we hear they come running up the hill to that slave wall.
Yeah, yours.
And you said he's right here, I didn't see him. You said I got a shot. So I'm like, well, kill him.
I mean, he was just right. All I saw was head,
Yeah.
and
Then it's not the birds from yesterday.
yeah, I was able to pull back just a skosh. Boom.
That one that took off was Jake. When he took off, his fan came out, and when he hit the ground, I saw his little beard poking out. I said, well, I don't want to shoot a Jake. I'll let him go. And then I heard, I said, you killed him. And he went to rolling down the hill.
Well, that is bizarre, because honestly, all I saw was one bird.
You only saw one?
That's all I saw was this one.
I saw zero. You shot and a bird took off. I thought you missed. And
I did too.
I was swinging ready to take him out, and then I saw his fan. I said, no, I put my gun down. I said, it's a Jake. I said, shoot him again, because he hit the ground and got behind some trees. I couldn't see him, but I knew he was right there. And I said, shoot him again. And I said, no. I heard him flopping. I was like, no, don't shoot him again. You already killed one.
Yeah, well, see, I had these on, and I didn't turn the volume up. And
Oh, really?
These protect your ears pretty good. I mean, as soon as I saw the bird, I just threw him on.
Yeah, you waxed him.
I sure did.
Yeah, when I heard that flopping.
I got number 8s in this.
Oh, no kidding.
Mm-hmm.
You hit him right in the ear hole right there. You hurt his hearing.
Well,
he might need those muffs now.
Yeah,
Gobble.
I heard it.
Yeah, that's that other bird. That's probably the one that we've been trying to kill.
Dude,
Congrats, man.
thank you, man. This is so exciting.
That was quick.
You know what's amazing is that once we did that Jake gobble.
That's how
tube
turkey
call.
hunting. That's how turkey hunting is. It can go
We're just
completely
screwing around
dead.
doing nothing.
It'll go dead, and we're just cracking jokes, talking crap about stuff, and then he pulls out this tube call, and it's like, I'm not very good. I'm a little rusty. I'm like, yeah, no kidding. And I forgot to bring my tube call, but I'm pretty rusty too with it. I'm sitting there and I was like, they make a pretty good Jake gobble, and then he makes this horrible sounding Jake gobble, and we
come running.
pow, this bird gobbled right down the hill. I was like, oh shoot, right there. So we set up and they came in running. Let's get you some pictures.
All right, brother. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. What a treat, man.
Day 2 of season.
Huh?
Day 2 of season.
Day 2. One of the Ryser's hand-rolled shells, 422.
Jim went back into town to take care of his bird. I'm going up that ridge where those two came up and spooked yesterday. When we were listening this morning to birds on the roost, there was one that had hands right up here on this ridge, so I'm going back up. Not like I'm gonna call him off his hands, but there may be something else going on up here. Maybe those two made it back. Same tree I sat at yesterday. Do a little bit of calling and hang out here for a while. I thought I heard something walking down in the leaves down the hill. He did it again. I'm watching him. He came up left. I thought he was coming right. He had a full fan when he took off flying. It was a gobbler, just one.